It used to be waxing your ride was a lot of work and took a long time. Thankfully, those days are gone, but there are so many waxes to pick from. How can you know which wax is best? Enter 3D Poxy, a dustless, easy-to-use liquid Montan wax that dries fast and wipes off super easy, leaving that high-gloss shine. Poxy makes your car's paint feel slippery to the touch, and it will not stain black plastic trim like most other waxes on the market. 3D Poxy is incredibly fast to apply by hand or machine. It's the perfect protection wax for all cars, trucks, sports utility vehicles, as well as RVs. Using 3D Poxy saves you time and extends the life of any vehicle that spends most of its life outdoors exposed to Mother Nature. Your car is an important part of your lifestyle. 3D Poxy will protect your car's finish while creating that deep wet shine that everyone loves.